Guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about COVID-19 pandemic challenges in development and distribution of vaccine. Our today's quotation is, "You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future," said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Our one-liner questions are: Sustainable Development Goal 3. What is SDG 3? WHO initiative. WHO provide a vaccine in under which initiative? India launch which app to monitor and tracking COVID-19 patients? India launch which mission to increase vaccination program? India approve Russian vaccine. What is the name of Russian vaccine? Our today's question is, COVID-19 immunization drive will be completely different from regular vaccination programs. In light of this statement, analyze the challenges in the development of and distribution of COVID-19 vaccine. Near about a year, the whole world facing rapid spread of COVID-19, which affects millions of lives. To curtail the spread, WHO launched COVAX initiative and various countries launched their vaccination programs. India is one of them, who launched Arogya Setu app, Cowin app, Tika Utsav, Mission COVID Suraksha, free vaccination in government hospitals, and recently approved Sputnik vaccine, which is Russian vaccine. But we still not able to pause the spread of COVID-19 due to some challenges. Which are them? Challenges in vaccine development. There are so many challenges like lack of raw material, companies work with profit motive, lack of infrastructure and funding, mutation of virus, lack of data transparency, which is ultimately cause of vaccine hesitancy. Then challenges in vaccine distribution, lack of infrastructure because a vaccine need very low temperature, which is very hard to maintain, lack of manpower and also lack of training of available staff, lack of center state and state collaboration and understanding, shortage of vaccine, fake news also create vaccine hesitancy, demand and supply vaccine nationalism. According to Lancet study, wealthiest nations, sorry for the mistake, wealthiest nations secured more than $2 billion of vaccines. Then our way forward would be need hybrid funding and DBT for marginal and poor section of the society. We can provide food under PDS system and shelter. Need to increase awareness and remove fake news. Center state collaboration needed. Federal structure should be followed. Need to promote vaccination. Leaders and celebrity can play a role. Focus on training of medical staff and increase manpower because there is only one doctor on 14,000 patients. Vaccine should be patent free as said by India in WHO and WTO. WHO World Health Organization and WTO World Trade Organization. To increase manpower, we can also use final year medical students which previously used in World War I and provide them experience certificate for their time for their services. Ensure vaccination program through monitoring and must follow WHO guidelines like sanitizer, mask and social distancing. Increase vaccine production and oxygen supply required area. Declare COVID-19 pandemic as natural disaster so that states can be use disaster management fund and also increase funding of states. I want to know one thing. Do you know India provide vaccine to its neighbors under which initiative? So let's continue with our conclusion. Our conclusion would be to conclude COVID-19 vaccine development largely depends on private sector so that to ensure success of vaccination programs, government need to focus on 3 T's which are test, track and treat. Then 3 A's which is availability, accessibility and affordability of vaccines. Government takes so many steps but it need to give speed boost to vaccination program. It also helps us to achieve Sustainable Development Goal 3, which is good health and well-being. We must focus on because quality education and good health are key to build human capital and prosperous nation. Said by me. You can personally add any quotation and any suitable thing. Answers of one-liner question says Sustainable Development Goal 3 is good health and well-being. WHO initiative is COVAX. India launched Arogya Setu app to monitor the patients, and India launched mission COVID Suraksha to increase vaccination programs, and India approved Sputnik vaccine, which is Russian vaccine. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.